type in equal to, and you're going to type in SUMIF. SUMIF basically means you're going to be able to add stuff, you're going to be able to sum stuff up if certain parameters are met. That's all. You can now see here that is asking you for the range, followed by the criteria, followed by the sum range. So what you want to do is find the range of all of these parameters that are required. In our case, the parameters that are required are the designation, because we need to find the manager's salary, and the amount, the salary amount, because we need the sum of the salary. So go ahead and select the range. As I said, select the designation and the salary. The second thing you need to find is the criteria. What are we looking for? We are looking for managers. So click on managers, go ahead and hit comma again, and finally you need the sum range, the range of the items that need to be summed up. So that's obviously the salary column. Now we are done. All you have to do is hit enter and you have a grand total of 0. If you haven't found the reason already why we got the 0, is because here it says manager and down here I've typed managers. So let's go ahead and get the S removed, and there you have it. If you found value from this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out a lot, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.